In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a static HTML page to your WordPress website. Whether you want to create a standalone landing page or simply showcase some custom content without WordPress's built-in dynamic features, adding a static HTML page is a handy skill. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand how to add static content but also feel confident navigating WordPress's file structure. Let's start by addressing why you might want a static HTML page on your WordPress site. Unlike dynamic pages, static pages can offer faster load times since they aren't processed by PHP or a database. They're also easier to design precisely as you wish, since they aren't restricted by WordPress themes or templates. So, if you have a particular design in mind or an HTML layout prepared, you've made a great choice. Before we dive in, ensure you have access to your WordPress files via a hosting control panel or an FTP client. You'll need to upload files, and the place to do that is in your WordPress directory. If you haven't already, choose an FTP client that you find straightforward and connect it to your website using your login credentials. This client will allow you to navigate directly to your WordPress files. Once connected, locate your WordPress directory. This is usually named something like public HTML or www. Within this directory, create a new folder where you can store your static HTML pages for easier organization. Naming this directory something relevant, like static pages, could be beneficial for easy reference in the future. Now, let's move on to preparing your HTML page. Ensure your HTML file is ready and any associated resources, like CSS styles and images, are correctly linked. Make sure all paths in your HTML are correct relative to where this file will reside. Upload your HTML file, along with any other resources, into the folder you just created. If your page uses image links, CSS, or JavaScript, these files need to be uploaded too, typically in subfolders named CSS, Images, or JS. With the files in place, you need to know the direct URL to access your static page. It should resemble your website's domain followed by your new directory name and the HTML file name, like www.example.com staticpagesyourpage.html. Test this URL in your browser to ensure everything displays as expected. If resources like images or style sheets aren't loading, double-check your file paths to ensure they're accurate. Finally, if you desire, you can link your new static page in your WordPress dashboard, making it accessible from your site's navigation menu. Head to the Appearance section, then Menus. From here, you can add a custom link using the URL you just tested. This way, visitors can easily find your static page from the main navigation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a static HTML page to your WordPress site. Remember, the key to success with this process is ensuring the accurate uploading and linking of files. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to create custom HTML content on your WordPress site.